Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for ADA price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we have a 1-2, 1-2, and then potentially 3-4-5 towards the upside, where we got, of course, double impulses. Now the problem with this 1-2 is that it's very deep. It has took the 886 and a very low possibility, of course, to have double 1-2 here. For a wave 3-4-5-4-5 towards the upside. Higher possibility here that we have finished three waves up for a wave C here. You're looking at a finished wave A, and then we're looking here for something like a wave B, and then continuation toward the upside. If your wave B has a bottomed exactly here, and you are impulsive towards the upside, where we saw an impulse already for a wave 1, potentially we're looking for a wave 2, and currently wave 3, 4, and a 5, of course, for a wave 3. Now, of course, this wave 3 is not finished yet because, of course, we still need one more high, of course, to finish wave 3 here for ADA. And potentially we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internally. Currently, you are in a wave 4, which it might be, of course, something else unfolding after three waves down, three waves up. Now, this wave, of course, is questionable. In a bigger bearish scenario, you might be, of course, in a big ABC, transforming this rather than an impulse, of course, once invalidation, transforming it, of course, into an ABC corrective wave for a wave C here, which is gonna take the low potentially, but a very low possibility. So I'm gonna add just one thing here, potentially invalidation of bullish, right? So this has to be added here in case, of course, we are still bullish. And of course, let's turn off this and let's move inside it. So inside it, we have, of course, our scenario here where we have, of course, a wave 1. Potentially, we're looking at a wave 1. So I'm going to add this, by the way. So wave 1 here, 2, 3, and then 4 unfinished somewhere, right? We're going to evaluate right now the wave 4. Don't forget that this wave 1 is a leading diagonal with a very, very truncated wave 5, yeah, as a zigzag, as you can see somehow here. A, B, and a C for a wave 1, which is very, very ugly, but yeah, because it has unfolded an impulse. What can we do, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing wave 3, currently we're looking for this wave 4. Now the wave 4, of course, as you see, the time required for it is very, very long. Yeah, so reducing kind of the scenario, right? Reducing even the scenario of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But I'm gonna walk with it here, okay? I'm gonna walk with it to see where it's gonna take us. So if you have three waves down, three waves up, you might expect, of course, continuation towards the downside as an impulse. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated yet, or it did invalidate it. So as you can see as well, here we go. Invalidation as well, so we cannot really call it an impulse towards the downside as well. Meaning ADA is in consolidation, I would say, and I think this, this brings me now to the idea that MG, one of the most active members in this channel and on Discord, gave me this idea that what if it is a triangle? Well, it is an idea, right? So let's put it there, and I believe that it might be, of course, knowing that it is a little bit early to say it because you have only A, B, and you're still looking for the wave C, not finished yet. Maybe the wave C is gonna just simply break it. Normally, when we get this price action, then okay, I call a triangle. At least we have ABC truncated, and then of course testing a wave D and then E. But yeah, let's say it can be. And that because, of course, we do not have a very clear scenario here if we have a wave 4, and because it's not invalidated yet. Yeah, that's why. Knowing that the time is horrible in comparison with the wave 2. That's why. So the scenario is, now if you have three waves down, three waves up, you might seek anyway for a structure towards the downside. Let's say this is a W, X, and a Y, as mentioned before. in our scenario, we might see an ABC toward the downside, 1-to-1 fib level to hit, of course, the blue box. So these are the possibility right now for ADA. If we are bullish, we should have been bullish already so far. Yeah, so unfortunately, it didn't. At least after 3 waves down, very deep wave down, even in time. So imagine, we took time and we took deep price based on the wave 2, and we didn't move for higher. So that is not really a strength signal for ADA here. We're looking potentially still for lower to test a little bit much more lower prices and then moving to the upside potentially. Yeah, so we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen. Now on the full 1 hour chart, it is definitely just simply consolidation, right? Simply consolidation. I believe that this is exactly the middle structure, which is your wave B or your wave X, between 3 waves down, 3 waves up, potentially moving higher again as expected here. Potentially the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this A, B, and a C, yeah, to finish a wave B, and then continuation towards the downside. That was it for ADA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.